Hello. Hello. Is that an okay hello? Today I wanted to make a little video about fixing some of my clothes because I watched a Harmony Nice video of her doing that and I found it very entertaining. I know it's been a little bit since I've made a video and that was by choice. I chose not to make videos for like almost 2 years. Do I have an explanation for it? Whenever I feel like doing painting, I'll do painting, and whenever I feel like doing music, I'll do music. I'm not sure if this personality trait is a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm just trying to go with the flow. Right now, I have been feeling like making videos, so I'm just gonna make this video. Thank you to my cameraman, Travis, because I don't have a tripod right now, and I don't know how long it's going to be until I get a tripod, but
that's why they call me Travis the Tripod.
Yeah. My clothes that I chose that I'm going to be revamping are my beautiful beige turtleneck. So you might be thinking, wow, that looks fine. Like, I don't know how you could do anything to fix that. Like, you know, it's just a good old turtleneck. But if you look really closely, which I'll get a footage of later, there's like a bunch of little pilling on it, and I want that gone because when I bought it, it wasn't like this. I bought it secondhand, but it was quite good quality when I purchased it, and I still love this turtleneck. And then the next thing that I chose to revamp today is my jean jacket. And it's really nice. I'm not going to cut it up or anything, but what I wanted to do is I wanted to cover up this stupid thing in the back. This is actually a jean jacket from Forever 21, but it was given to me as a gift, I guess, or like just given to me by Travis.
Yeah, it was, my mom was like donating it. I think it was my sister's. Yes. When she was younger. And
something like that.
She was like, would Amber want this?
It's nice, like it's a good jean jacket and everything, but I just don't connect with this photo in the background, although I do love to travel.
Tiger King. Tiger King.
Yeah, so that's just kind of awkward at this point. And I love tigers and everything too. I think the rose, it's not really my thing. Instead, I was going to cover it up with this patch that I got from my tattoo artist who did this tattoo a year and a half ago, and it's just been like chilling and I haven't really put it on anything yet, but I really love it. It's a character that she created, Blythe the Mandrake. He's really cute. He's a little mandrake. I don't know, he's just adorable, so I think that would look really nice on the back of my jean jacket. The next thing I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna cut my favorite big yellow turtleneck into a cropped turtleneck. I used to be all about tucking my clothes into my pants until I realized that with the pants that I wear, when I tuck my clothes into them, it makes it all like bunchy, like bunched up on the side. And then the next one that I chose to revamp is this beautiful shirt, and it's like off the shoulder. Only thing is it's quite a heavy fabric, and so I don't know, it just feels weird when I wear it, and once again I can't really tuck it in to my pants or anything without it bunching up. So I was gonna cut this into a crop top as well. Let's get chopping. Gonna chop my clothes up. Hi everyone. I just thought while I cut up my clothes, I would do a little voiceover. Well, here you can see that I was kind of mapping out in my brain where the center of the article of clothing was, and I was cutting from the middle of that. From an artist's perspective, sometimes I find when I start in the middle of things and then work my way out from either side, makes it a lot easier and a lot more even than it would have been if I just started in like a random spot or from the side. That's just my experience, but you do you. I mean, like, this isn't really a tutorial, it's just kind of like me showing you a little bit of me doing a little bit of choppy. Oh, I kind of also wanted to take this moment to talk about a little bit about the fast fashion industry and why we should give up fast fashion. Well, first of all, that shit's cruel. You know how they treat the workers in those sweatshops? I bet if you knew, you probably wouldn't want to be buying these things. It's really sad and upsetting. There's a lot of abuse that goes on, a lot of exploitation. Yeah, it's really unfair, and I just feel like if we don't agree with something that a company does, then we should vote with our dollar, because it seems to be the only thing that they care about is money. If we vote with our dollar and we choose to spend our money on other organizations, then they'll have no choice but to change, because, you know, if money's the only thing they care about and that's what they're losing, then, you know, I just feel like it'll make a difference. When you go to a thrift store, there's so many cool clothes there that you would never find at Forever 21. I mean, maybe you would. I found things from Forever 21 at thrift stores, and that's the beauty of it. You can find unique things and you can be different. But usually it's cheaper too, and the clothing has more character. You could build a more eclectic wardrobe. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I just wanted to come on here and say a little bit about that, because it's important as people in this world to make good decisions about what we're consuming. Oh, another thing is that a lot of the times these fabrics and like these clothes, all that stuff is all brand new. And how do I explain this? Oh yeah, just like the fast fashion industry is so wasteful, you know, like they make these clothes. I forget how many seasons there are per year, but it's crazy. Like not that kind of seasons, like clothing seasons. They have way more seasons than weather seasons. Weather seasons? Does that make sense? Okay, so they have so many seasons, and they literally like they fuck. They make all these clothes. They make all these clothes, and we don't need these clothes, and we don't use these clothes, and then people throw out these clothes because they make them in such poor quality. And at least if you buy something secondhand, if it's poor quality, you know your money isn't being put towards the industry that made it. And a lot of these thrift stores are charities, you know, or like small businesses, and I think it's good to support charities and small businesses. Sorry if it seems like I'm rambling on a little bit. I didn't really write anything down for myself to say. I just kind of wanted to talk about this because it is something I'm pretty passionate about. So recently I've been reading this book called Brave New World by Aldous Huxley, and in the book there's like a new world, and then there's like, I don't know if I want to call it like a lesser world. But in the new world, they just make clothes out of like really crappy fabric, like a polymer fabric or something. And when something rips, they just throw it out. But in the lesser world, which is like the old world, their clothes, when they would rip, they would sew them and mend them. And so I think that says a lot about our world today, because I think it's really important to be able to repair your clothes and make them better. If you can wear something until you literally can't wear it anymore, that's like awesome in today's day and age. You do not see that a lot, and quite frankly, I'm tired of seeing clothes being thrown out just because they have a rip in them. Me personally, even if there's a hole in my sock, I like to sew that hole up because I don't want to buy new socks. Like, I don't always have the money to buy new socks. Anyways, peeps, this rant has gone on for a little bit longer than I've anticipated, so thanks for holding on and enjoy the rest of the video. I finished doing all of my clothes. I'm wearing one of the things that I created. I'm just gonna show you how everything looks. This one, it worked, but it also didn't work because I didn't finish it because I ended up shaving the skin off of my finger, which is just great. I had to go and buy band-aids today. Such a soft, deep-hilled side compared to this, which is horrible, terrible, ugly. I love him. Oh, he's the best. And then the next thing, this guy. So I really like how this turned out. Yeah, I just really like it. It's gonna be good. And then this one. Very excited to try this on. I'm really happy it turned out. And if you look closely, if you pull down the top a little bit, you can see what was underneath of it. But overall, I think it's pretty good. I like it a lot better now. Anyways, that was me revamping my clothes. I'm very happy how it turned out. I'm definitely going to be doing more of this. Let me know if you want me to film me revamping my clothes again, because I would be more than happy to do that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something new about sewing or about eco fashion, perhaps. Have a great day!